I'm Jackie Sherlock and I'm the Product Marketing Manager here at Mercury, and I'm really excited to let you know what's going to be available in the new version of Mercury, which will be going out to customers starting the 8th of July. Version 30 of Mercury is the third release of 2024, and you will see a range of features that hold to our values of making people more effective by making Mercury faster and providing a consistent, intuitive experience. Over the next few minutes, I'll take you through the highlights of what's in the release and also give you a sneak peek of some of the things that are coming up soon. First, we're pleased to bring you new forms and views for the client, contact person, vacancy and placement areas of Mercury. This will make it easier than ever to work with your data and help you take action directly from the screen you're working in, rather than moving between different areas of the platform. The new views provide a consistent look and feel, as well as simplifying what is shown and making it easier to see important information. To aid this further, colours have been introduced to the status reason to make it clear at a glance about the status of vacancies and candidates. The new forms can be accessed from the selector in the relevant area and will be available alongside the existing ones for a while. Any customisations that you have created on existing forms will be retained. We'd love to get your feedback on what you think about the new forms and views so that we can continue to develop them to suit your needs. Version 30 also sees improvements to the commission split process, which we know can be complicated to manage. You can already add up to 4 commission splits in Mercury, but in version 30 this limit has been removed, so you can now add as many commission splits as you need on fee, vacancy and placements. People with the Mercury Super User security role can now create a commission role across fees, vacancies and placements to allow other users to create commission lines. These lines can then be created, and if changes to the commission are made after commission lines have been set up, for example if the currency changes, this will automatically cascade to the relevant fields. The existing commission splits will continue to work alongside the new method for the foreseeable future, but we highly recommend using this new process so that you can benefit from all of the features. We've had some ideas from our user community around how the last contacted functionality works, and so we've done some work around this area. There is a new last sales email field which takes mail shots into account and updates the relevant area within Mercury, like last sales email candidate, last sales email client, last emailed by, and last contacted by. A sales email to a client contact does not update the last contacted on the parent client. Last contacted is now automatically updated from an info record, and left voicemail no longer updates the last contacted field on client and contact. Other improvements include the ability to add a description to an activity purpose, which can help give guidance to recruiters as to the sort of information they should be completing for a particular type of activity. This is for phone call, task and update activities. Once created, these cascade to the relevant activity when it is selected. Postcode visibility has been updated to reflect the fact that some countries don't use postcodes, and so now that field will only appear on address, client, contact, fee, vacancy and placement when a country is selected that requires a postcode. You can now also choose to hide or show the postcode on the candidate company. We've made some enhancements to working with CVs. You can now search for anonymised CVs when looking at spec sends. And users can choose which CV is displayable on a contact without the need to reparse the CV. But please note that CVs need to be uploaded to SharePoint first. Full details about all of these enhancements, as well as software fixes that have been completed, are available in the version 30 release notes, which are now on the Mercury knowledge base. So let's have a look at what's coming up soon. In the version 29 release, I told you about the suite of analytics reports that are available in Mercury Analytics, and we're really pleased to have heard all the feedback about the useful insight that customers are gaining from them. We're now looking at surfacing the reports from the core Mercury platform, which will allow for more in-context reporting. We're also looking at how we can deploy on-demand CV parsing through our Dijkstra integration, which will provide you with a better experience. I also want to let you know about something that I think you will find really useful. we're now able to offer Microsoft licensing, which means that you can have just one supplier to go to, and you also benefit from our competitive pricing, ensuring that you receive the best value possible. I hope that you love version 30 as much as we do, and I can't wait to be back with news about version 31 later in the year. Until then, if you have any questions about anything that I've talked about here, or if you'd like any more information, reach out to your CSM, who will be happy to help and support you. See you soon.